So today we are comparing Antigravity, Windsurf and Codex. So which one actually makes you faster and which one just burns your credits? Let's look into the video. So Antigravity is designed like an autonomous engineering assistant. It's focused on deep repo understanding and multi-step execution and long running for development tasks. The Windsurf here is more of an AI native coding environment. Think of it like the VS Code mixed with highly collaborative AI pair programmer. The Codex here is an open source, it's OpenAI's coding agent ecosystem. It it's powerful because it's deeply integrated with frontier models and reasoning capabilities. Let's look into the positives of these platforms. The anti-gravity has extremely strong repo awarenesses and better for complex engineering tasks and handles well long workflows, and it feels more autonomous than assistant like. The Windsurf is the fastest and smoothest UX. It has that, and it's incredibly autocomplete and it's very beginner friendly as well. It's great, has a great inline editing experience too. The Codex here has the best raw intelligence overall. It has strong reasoning and debugging features, and it's excellent at understanding intents. But on the downside here, the Codex can become expensive and fast, and sometimes it requires trust in AI-driven workflows, and still it's not perfect at maintaining long-term context. Whereas the Windsurf here on the downside, sometimes it prioritizes speed over accuracy, so they have limited depth on highly complex architecture, and it feels more assistant than an autonomous agent. And anti-gravity on the negative side here, it has a steeper learning curve, and you can feel a bit slower during simple tasks. So, and for beginners, since it has a steep learning curve, it might be an issue for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you are new to coding or just want to build something fast, then go for Windsurf. That might be the ideal option for you. But for startup founders or indie hackers, if speed matters for you more than perfection, then I would say Windsurf gives you the fastest platform for that. But if your product is becoming like complex as you go, then Codex might be the ideal option in that case instead of Windsurf. But for serious programmers, if you work on large systems or production grade applications, then Codex on or anti-gravity might be better for you. Especially anti-gravity might feel more autonomous for you, but Codex might feel smarter for you. So if I had to like rank them, then it's pretty hard at the moment because Windsurf wins for speed and usability, anti-gravity wins for deep autonomous engineering, and Codex wins for raw intelligence and long-term potential. So the best AI coding agent today depends less on which AI is smartest and more on what kind of developer you are.